Hi, I'm Lon Lam, and today I'm going to show you how to pack cookies when sending a care package so they arrive picture perfect. We all know there's nothing better than receiving a care package in the mail. What we don't know is what happens inside the package when it's being shipped. Chewy chocolate chip cookies that start out moist end up stale upon arrival, and delicate icing can be reduced to shards, but we can prevent these shipping woes. Before you assemble your care package, you'll want to make sure to avoid mingling different cookie types in the same bag. Moist items like brownies will turn crisp meringues to mush, and anise biscotti will transfer their aromatic flavors to mild sugar cookies. For bar cookies, such as blondies or brownies, you should make stacks of 4 or 5. Slip a piece of parchment between the cookies to prevent them from sticking together. Then, wrap the stacks in plastic wrap and place them in a Ziploc bag. All other cookies that are sturdy and shippable, like biscotti and meringues, can go directly into Ziploc bags. And remember, just one type of cookie per bag. The amount of cookies you pack into each bag doesn't matter, as long as you pack the box properly. For maximum shock absorption, surround your wrapped cookies with 3 to 4 inches of lightweight bulk on all sides, as well as the top and bottom. Air-popped popcorn works really well. Just make sure to put the most delicate items in the very center of the box. Once the cookies are in place, add additional bulk to cover them. These tips and tricks will surely bring a smile to both you and your pen pals. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button.